Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice.
Let's look at the Black Friday trades that I made. Yeah, so you remember, like, on Wednesday we had two Tesla candle spreads open. So I have closed those. Let me check. Okay. Yeah. So one put calendar spread. I think two put calendar spreads. We bought at 330 or 340. I sold at a loss of around $34 per spread. So two around 34. I think $72 loss. I sold put calendar spread. Yeah, on the call calendar spread, the two sold call options, I bought it back at 219. So the average price was 330 for the call calendar spread. Now I again put it 219 or 218 for each of the leg. So again 330 added to 218, it would be 548. So now my cost price for the call side is 548 average, and I have two. Then I tried to sell that one on the call. Whatever I bought the call, I sold those two with 595 as the average. So sorry. So here on a profit like 540, 548, so 45 and 2, so 47. Yeah, $47 profit. I sold two. So one of 47, so two out of like $94 profit. And on the put side, I lost 34 and 72. $34. So $72 loss. I sold the put, and 95 or 96, right? 96 I sold uh, $94 profit I sold. So it's actually $28. 34.68 plus $24 profit. $26 profit. So I closed both the Tesla on a $26 profit. Now my investing is like 1858. On a 1 day chart it's $9 profit, and on a as a whole the overall profit is 358, that is 23 percentage, 23.89 percentage. And similarly, after closing both the call spreads and the put spreads, I again took another position. So 165 put on the same day, like December 2 expiry, sold it, and December 16th expiry, I bought it. So I have a debit of 327 average on a position. So I have two on the call put side. Similarly, on the call side, I have like 332 average cost. The same expiry December 2 and December 16th. I bought two, so I had paid around 664, average of 332. So if you can see now the current, it is like put side it is $10 loss, and call side it's $12 profit. So hopefully I can close it on Monday on a profit, and I am looking for at least a 1%, minimum 1% profit daily. Thank you.